You're trying to play your footages, but it's giving you slow playbacks. I know how the edit can be. Don't worry, I'm here to give you a solution. Do want to save this video for future references. What are slow playbacks? Slow playbacks are those moments whereby you input your footage into your editing software, and when you press the play button, you see that the audio is faster than the video, right? And sometimes this issue is not only with the low-end PC users, even with the high-end PC users, whereby you have like a 4K footage or a 6K footage, and when you press back that play button, you see the audio going faster than the video. Here's one hack to get smoother playbacks on any PC, on any type of footage you are editing. And this is called Proxies. What are Proxies? Proxies are more compressed file size of the original file you are editing. If you're a Premiere Pro user or a Davinci Resolve user, I know you can do this. So for my Premiere Pro users, you have to get media encoder for this to be able to work. After you've installed your media encoder of the same year of the Premiere Pro you're using, if you're using a 2019 Premiere Pro, you have to have the 2019 media encoder. When you put your footages into your media bin, right-click on your footages and click the Create Proxy button. After that, you see a small pop-up window. Pick the format you want to use and where you want your proxies to be saved. I advise you save them close to where you save your original files. And then you let media encoder do its thing. But that's not all. After media encoder is done creating your proxy, you have to enable them on your editing software. On your program monitor, you click the plus sign there and you see this symbol that says enable proxy. You drag it into your space and you enable it. And when it's enabled, you see it's shining blue. Then you're good to go. Now you see how good and how fast the footages will be playing. And for my Resolve users, when your footages are in your media bin, just right click on them and click Create Proxies. If you want to do it like that inside Davinci Resolve, you can go to the Proxy Generator application, which was also installed when you installed your Davinci Resolve, and create your proxies there. Just select where your footages are, select the format you want to use, and click Generate Proxy. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful. Do save it for future references. And don't forget, cool filmmakers don't gatekeep. See you next time.